What's up, guys? To another video. Today I will be using the greatest loadout ever. So yeah, let's get right in. What the loadout is RPG.
So he can't see what. Oh wait.
So yeah.
Newborn. Yo, Rampager, do you want to 1v1?
Oh, he's good.
Does anybody want a 1v1 this about like my life?
I do.
Yo, Gunner.
Okay. We're using the sprayest loadout ever. Yes. He's watching me. I'm telling my mommy. Mom! Oh yeah, this guy saying he was watching me. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. He's watching me. Okay, good.
Round starting.
Oh my gosh. How is he not dead? He's hacking.
Round
Cannot
starting.
get back to the bro.
Round starting.
Let's go. 160.
Round starting.
Just to eat.
Round starting.
He hit me! He's hacking! He's hacking, I'm reporting him. Game banned. Yeah, report him, guys. He's being toxic.
Round starting.
I'm joking, don't report him. But he is being toxic. Calling me trash, flipping me off. That's being toxic.
Round starting.
Why I have to hit a bunch? Hit 113 and another push. And 100,
Round starting.
200 minus 100 is 0. And he's acting. How much HP are you at? Walking in.
Round starting.
Dead. Okay, we just won this game. I'm gonna cook y'all. Don't play with me. I'll go. No, Apex. This is so fair, though. This is not fair because you're like 5 ranks below me. But those two are fair. So Silver, sit back. You fight that guy. I fight this guy. Okay. This is good. Okay, guys. So we use
Match starting.
teammate. Go to team chat.
Round starting.
Okay.
They're just double teaming when I put. They're just gonna double team you. There's no point.
Let's go. 15 HP on one time. You
They
saw
double
that?
Team again.
I was one.
Round starting.
15 HP.
Got one.
You
Got
killed one.
Apex.
That's good.
I got the Apex. Don't just
66.
spam rocket launcher. Just scaredy cat move.
I'm so OP, bro. This loadout is so no skill though.
Round
Well,
starting.
at least I'm killing you now. Trying to get a win streak.
So I hit the Apex for a lot.
Hit him 15.
Apex is practically dead. Okay, they're just double teaming.
I know, teammate.
He's not over there anymore. He's coming over to you.
No, I had to reload my gun. How are you flying? I thought you were flying with like katana. I got both of them low. I got Apex low.
Mark him.
Waiting for me. Rush him a little bit. Rush him a little bit. Never mind, you got good aim. Are you on team chat?
Round starting.
Okay. I'm doing a challenge. When I'm raised loadout. Bro is. Wait, I wanna hear what. Are y'all talking, bro?
Got Apex.
Killed him. Do I have a win streak? But when I was an 8 prime one, people would rage quit. I'm on ping pong and almost no one. I did not win.
Look at this threes.
What are
Okay.
you doing? Bros, no way that kid is in.
Who wants to be a
I
part of
don't
my
like
video?
threes. I like ones.
Who wants to be a part of my video?
Me.
You wanna? Okay. Join if you want to be a part of my video. Booty inside. No, that's Apex. That's Apex.
What y'all doing? I'm on Glapu. This is not cool. That too. Okay, so I'm going to. So you gonna let me win, right? I'm quitting the game. Bye. I'm joking. Why will I quit the game? If I quit the game, I will stop recording and I'm
started.
gonna post this.
Round
Okay, guys.
starting.
Oh, how did you have AR then? Let's go. Why do people move like this, bro?
Round starting.
I said we had to use the sprays loadout. Never said I could change my loadout to the sprays.
Round starting. Round
Bro's
starting.
just using RPG. But this is, I'm good with
Round
this.
starting.
It is a spray loadout because RPG is a spray gun. Never mind, this loadout ain't good. Just a little, it is good.
Round starting.
Never get something like that. Good thing they nerfed. Go. Bro is always flying over. I can't win while bro just is flying up. And that's so no
Round
skill.
starting.
I'm not a baby to rematch. No RPG? Okay, fine. But guys, I still have a spray loadout. I'm a sprayer with revolvers. You know.
Match starting. Round starting. Round starting.
I'm so no skill. I didn't even have to move. I'll go. I'll
Round
just
starting.
go start just because I'm kind of. No, it's only.
Round starting. Round starting.
I want this.
Round starting.
To him. He's not good, bro. All he goes to do is go up every single time.
Round starting.
Yeah.
I know, okay.
That's the end of the video. Hope y'all have a
Yeah,
good
don't
day.
worry, it's not
And
bedtime. It's not
stay
bedtime.
safe.
It's like
Have a good day.
where
And
you can play
subscribe.
different games together. Do you know what I'm talking about? Yes, you can join the adult join.
Please.